Are you still typing every PayPal sale into Wave by hand? Here's how to automate it with Zapier. To start, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want and type it into the search bar. Like, whenever I receive a new successful PayPal payment, automatically record a sale in Wave accounting. Once my prompt is typed in, Zapier's Copilot will get to work. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps I need to take to complete my Zap, and I can add instructions or ask questions through my Zap creation process. To start my Zap, I'll select my trigger, or the event that kicks off any Zap. In this case, the trigger is PayPal. To connect my PayPal account to Zapier, I'll click on the Account tab and log in. If it's my first time connecting, a link will pop up to connect my PayPal account. To do that, I'll need my client ID and my client secret. I can find these by logging into my PayPal developer dashboard, selecting Apps and Credentials, and then copying the details from my app. Once I paste the client ID and client secret into Zapier, I can choose whether I want to use PayPal Sandbox for testing or go live. If I'm setting this up for real transactions, I'll select No for Sandbox mode. If I'm just testing, I'll select Yes. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the event you'd like to use for your Zap. In this case, I'll select Completed and then click Continue with Selected Record, and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be set, so log into your Wave account just like you did with your PayPal account and then click Continue. From there, I can start to assign the trigger app's data to the action apps fields. If I want to include more information, I can select additional data from the drop-down menu or type in my own custom text. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Wave account to make sure this works. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a payment is sent to our PayPal, a sale will be recorded in Wave. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. You can sign up and start for free.